And the last part is this case, putting the case back on the key with the screw. These other parts of the case look very similar in size. If you notice, turn them around, they look almost exactly the same, but the screw looks, for the replacement, looks a little bit thinner than the original screw. So then I just chose to use the replacement case, not the original, just to make sure that the screw fits. And I took off this tape from the top, and this looks very similar, so I could just use the replacement. And what would do is, the original key is this way with the electronic piece put in, and I just snap the cover on like this. And this should just work.